Hello friends, this information is regarding the assignment cycle for September 2023, semester 2 for all streams, and subject is decision science. So here I'm just trying to give you a brief information which you can work it out in Excel for the problems what is given for the assignment. Okay, let's start with the question 1. So question 1 is this one. So this is the probability randomly selected person is said that क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहुती he likes. So this is what we have, like Anupama and Kyuki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahuti. So guys, here I'm just trying to show you one method. You can have another method also to solve the same problem. Okay, so this is the simplest one what I'm going to show you. So considering P of K is like Kyuki, P of NK do not like Kyuki, then P of A like Anupama, P of NA do not like Anupama. Okay, so considering that, I have just made a simple formula for you. Simple formula. It's very simple for understanding and calculation. So you can straight away see that you like PK, and then here is like क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहुत ही is what we have. Yes, this many sorry, what is the probability that randomly selected person said yes I like cookie? So this is 25, and then this also we have as another 5, so 25 plus 5. Okay, oh sorry, this is 5 plus 25 is 30 in Kyuki's case, so this goes as Anupama. So similarly I have just tried to do it, and second one is I don't like Kyuki. So don't like Kyuki is 15 plus 5, 20. Now third one goes as here is total 50, divided by 50 is this one, so the total responses is 50. Okay, coming to the third one, person said yes I like Anupama. So like Anupama is 5 plus 25 is again 30. Then question 4 is I don't like Anupama, so that is 20 divided by 50. Then you have selected random person said like Anupama, also said kyunki prior to that. So he likes Anupama as well as Kyuki. So it becomes here 25. And likes Kyuki also said don't like Anupama. So this is yes and this is no. So we are at like 10% of that. Okay. So if you are following, so this is what is the percentage you will get it. So you can go with the simple method, or you can also go with like addition laws and what has been mentioned in the textbook. Like this is another way of solving this problem. I'll show you. So we have a joint probability of what has been taken up for this problem. Let me just check. Joint probability. Probability distributions 97. Okay. I think chapter 4 we have it. Yeah. Joint probability addition loss. Okay. So this is probability. Here comes the joint probability independent events. Close by demonstration 4.1, I believe. That's what we have it. Addition loss. Yeah. Very close to joint probability. Yes. So this is a joint probability table. This is how is your theory part is going to be, and this is the way of calculation, And similarly, you can also find it here. The demonstration also, you can go ahead and follow the same one for writing up. So I'm just trying to show you this problem. I think you can just use the Excel for the calculation, but most of the things has asked you to provide step-by-step solution. So please keep this step-by-step information ready. Now let us go to the question 2, where it is actually asked you to use the Excel sheet. Okay, so here is the question: calculate the correlation among the possible combination of variables using the following data. Write your interpretation. You are advised to use Excel or any other software for the calculation of correlation. So these are your complete data. Yeah, the West Bengal, and you have to go ahead with the correlation of all possible combinations. Okay, so you can start with the combination C and D, C and E, C and F, and then go with the D and E, D and F, and go ahead with E, E and F, E and D, E and C. So both the ways you can try for combinations. So if you see here, I have tried to do this correlation one. You have a very simple formula here. What you have to do is just equals correlation. So this is your correlation. Okay, select the array. First array what you want to consider as. Okay, then comma, then second array. Okay, close the parenthesis, and then you will be getting this correlation. So it is positively correlated. You can go ahead with the correlation one, and when you go back into the book, you can clearly define what is the correlation, what kind of different ways of correlation has been happened, and then you can easily interpret your solution. Okay, moving on to the question 3, and guys, please note that it is a way of one way of calculation. So definitely you might be having another way of calculation, and you might be finding a difference in your answers. They are not exactly the same answers what you should be getting it. So these are just for your reference one. Okay, question 3, in Maharashtra. Okay, do not use any software for calculation. You are advised to show all the necessary steps. So in this case, you have to go ahead with the complete a step-by-step process to understand. Okay, so here comes, let us see the condition: 3 companies from the Mumbai and 0 from outside. So this is your permutation and combination way of calculation, the basic one, what we would have also done in our high school. So simpler one, you have it here, and similarly for 2 companies from Mumbai and 1 from outside. So it's absolutely straightforward what we get it from here. So you have to take it one outside company also, and that comes 5. Probability of selecting 2 Mumbai companies and 1 non-Mumbai company. Okay, so here comes your next calculation is 105 into 5 divided by the total solution. Okay, then we have probability of selecting all 3 from Mumbai. So this is our probability, 455 divided by with all the possible solutions. Then you have at least 2 from Mumbai. Adding up these probabilities, this and this probability, that is what 85%. Okay, so this is just a way you can calculate and check it, but please mention each and every step, because it is already asked you to show the calculation steps. So do not avoid it and straight away write the answers. You will lose marks. Okay, draw the line chart using the Excel for the following variable and write your interpretation. Looking at the graph number, what type of a correlation is suspected between crop area of the wheat and cereal? Okay, this is our data, and what you have to do is just select, if you are using Office 365. So here comes straight away. The moment you select the data, it will be showing you different charts, line charts, bar charts, and correlation charts sometimes. Or you can also ask like what kind of a relation between between weight and area. Okay, you can do some relation between column C and column D. Sum of the fields, insert pivot table, individual field, average field. No, this is not coming. Okay, so if I'm able to give a prompt very correct and exactly the information what I'm looking, it will give you a very beautiful chart. But okay, we can go with the conventional way of putting up our chart. Select the data, complete data, and then go to insert. Here you have insert line chart. So this is your line chart. Okay, now you can add just delete this one. So here you can see x-axis is there, then area under cultivation wheat. This is what is area under cultivation wheat, area under cultivation coarse cereal lakh hectares. So this is what is coming up. Our question is to draw the line chart using Excel for the following variables and write your interpretation. Looking at the graph number, what type of a correlation is suspected between crop area of wheat and cereal? So this is what is our crop area. And you can add up here a trend line to show you for both. Trend line for cultivation. Okay. So here you can see there is a trend line. The more the area is increasing, higher is the yield for wheat. But it is opposite for the cereals. The area is increasing, higher the area. Sorry. I think this is what under cultivation wheat lakh hectares. So this is what we are doing as a year wise. So instead of year wise, we should be doing it lakh hectares. So we have been asked to understand the relation wheat area under cultivation for cereal. Okay. Okay. So this is an increasing trend. The more the area and better is our crop for the line chart, and same formula what we used it for correlation, you can just use the correlation between these two. What is the correlation between cereal and wheat? Okay, now this is how you, once you have created, do some modification, write up your chart name, and I'm just writing a relation chart. So once you have done that, you can just copy, then I try to open Word. So this is the word. You can straight away paste your just I will show you in the right side. Paste as image, you can do it, or paste as source file. So this is like very easy way of pasting it. And then if you want like it's not come in the right size and all, you can just do this modification. So you can push it here. Okay. Okay, then okay, so this is another way. So guys, I have just tried to show you the simplest one. So if you are very good at this, and then you can go ahead and do a lot of modifications here, like how you want to get the display, you want to do it a serial versus this, that is also possible. Like by you can just select it, how these two are connected and how the line chart can be drawn. So here comes again, go ahead with the same process of line chart. Here you can see how these two are coming up, and then you can edit all this area, what you want to be displayed here, what you want to be displayed here. And you can also label it, add table or error bars or trend line or access title. So try to give more and clear information. Here you can put up data labels and yeah, trend lines. Okay, so these information, try to keep it, and it makes really good sense when people are seeing this. And then that is how the more the clarity and simple the form, then that is how you can catch up more marks. Okay, so hope this was helpful, and if you need any help, please let me know, or drop into sonuagatse@gmail.com. Okay, thank you so much.